Today's going to be a new MacBook unboxing. I had to get a new computer because the display on my old one was broken. Some advice if you want to get a MacBook, get like Apple Care with it too, because like they won't fix your display if you don't have Apple Care. I think that's what I heard. So get Apple Care. Like this time when we bought this one, we bought Apple Care too. So Apple Care is like really important if you want to get a MacBook. So anyways, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, it even smells brand new. I love the brand new smell. I'm trying to be careful with it. Okay, here is it. It's the same color of my old one. I just love this color. Of course, it comes with the charger and the manual, of course. Now let's get to setting it up. Okay, I've opened it up. Of course, it comes with the protection. Just gonna pull it off. And now I'm gonna get all my information on the computer because I still need to like set up and like, you know, log into my iCloud. So let's get into that. Okay guys, I'm all logged into my account. I'm just gonna put some new wallpaper because yeah. Okay guys, now it's time for stickers. Okay, I found the stickers I want to use. I don't know if you can see them. And now I'm gonna stick them on. Okay guys, here are the stickers. I feel like I added more than I had like last time. I don't know which one is better, the one I had last time or this one. But I don't mind this one. I kind of like this one. It's more, you know, girly, if you know what I mean. So yeah. Okay, I also added some like on the ends like here just to make it seem like my old MacBook. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully this MacBook works for a long time. Anyways, thanks for watching. We're getting closer and closer to 700 subscribers, so please subscribe if you're new. Anyways, thanks for watching this video and keep up for more.